Hello friends, today we will discuss skew symmetric matrix and symmetric matrix properties. Now, what is the skew symmetric matrix? Skew symmetric matrix is A is equals to minus of A transpose, where the entries are equals to negative of the entries. Now, skew symmetric matrix diagonal elements are 0. This means that the diagonal elements are A11, A22, A33, ANN and so on, right? So these entries are always 0. Okay, this will we will prove that aij is equals to 0 for all I is equals to j. Let capital A is equals to aij is a skew symmetric matrix. Then aij is equals to minus of aj for all I comma j. Now by definition aii is equals to minus of aii, right? When we take j is equals to I, then it will become aii is equals to minus of aii. So this will get 2 aii is equals to 0 and aii is equals to 0. This proves that diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix are 0 because of aii entries are 0. So diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix are 0. This is only imply for skew symmetric matrix. Now let us define the second theorem. For any square matrix A with the real entries A plus A transpose, this is a symmetric matrix. When we take sum of the transpose of the matrix, then it will become symmetric matrix. When we subtract this matrix, then it will become skew symmetric matrix. Now let us prove it. Proof is simple. We will take A plus A transpose, sum of the transpose of the matrix with the matrix, this will become P. Let this will take P. So we will only prove that it is symmetric matrix. So we will prove that only P is equals to P transpose. Taking transpose of this, this will become A plus A transpose, the whole transpose. This will give A transpose plus A, and this implies that P is equals to P transpose, right? As P is equals to P transpose. So this is symmetric matrix. Now for skew symmetric matrix, we will only prove that Q is equals to minus of Q transpose. Taking Q is equals to A minus A transpose, and let us take the transpose of this. This will become A transpose minus of A, and Q transpose is equals to minus of A minus A transpose. So this will implies that Q is equals to minus of Q transpose. Now this implies that A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. What we have to prove?